Today I'm going to show you how to make a delicious cashew almond cream that you could use in place of regular cream in any recipes. Start by grabbing raw cashews. We're going to do 2 cups. Cover that with hot water and let that sit for about an hour. Right here I have 2 cups of almonds that have been soaking in water overnight. Get that out, drain it. You're going to want to rinse those off a little bit. And throw those into a high-powered blender. Cover that with 6 cups of water. And then we're going to give this a nice blend until smooth. Once that's smooth and combined, add that to a nut milk bag. These are really cool because they're reusable, so it's going to hold all that pulp in there. It's not going to get into the milk. I'll throw a link in the description of my favorite. So you're going to just continue squeezing until we get all the milk out of there. And what's pretty cool is that what's left over is the almond meal. This could be reused in different recipes. Add that to a glass bottle, and that's going to be our almond milk. Now that the hour is up, let's drain our cashews, give them a nice shake. You can also see how they plumped up a little bit. Add them to a blender with 1 cup of the homemade almond milk, 1 cup of water, 1/4 teaspoon sea salt. Give that a nice blend until smooth, and you can see here, look at that texture. Nice and creamy, and that's a wrap, guys. This works so well in all different types of recipes as a cream substitute. Hope you guys enjoy, and see you on the next one.